Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hardware Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your MARSHALL KILBURN III on the Android phone. So at first we have to go into Play Store and here into search. In the search bar we have to search for the Marshall. And here we have our application called Marshall Bluetooth. We have to tap that, and here we have to tap this install button here. Now it might take a while, so don't worry, it depends on your internet connection on your phone. It's very lightweight application, only 25 megabytes. Now we have to tap open here. Here we have to agree to the end user agreement, next. Here skip and skip. Now if you want to know how to add your speaker to your application, check out my because I have a video for that. And that's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.